So last time we did increment and decrement. We also did comparison. So today, let us finish on these two, that is the logical operator and the string operator. And a logical operator, here we talk of and. It's written like this. We call it ampersand. So we represent and. This one, it returns true only if both conditions are true. If both conditions are true, it will return true. So returns true if both conditions are true. Then we have the next one. We call it not. Not. This not is represented by exclamation mark. So this one reverses the condition. It reverses the condition. So by reversing the condition, we mean where it's true, it returns false. So true becomes false. And false becomes true. That is the reverse. Then we have that one, and a logical operator. We have the third one. We call it or. Or. We present like that. So these are the three logical operators. And or returns true if one condition is true. Logical operators, we use them like in real life. Anytime you are doing a project in real life, something like and, we use it in login, whereby you put your username and password. If you put username correct, password correct, it means two conditions are true, meaning you have used if username is true and password is true. We use them like that in systems. So there are systems you can tell you login either using your email or mobile number. That one has used or, meaning you can either use your email or you can use your mobile number. Let me have, so variable P 5 and variable Q 10. So if we want to use the and, echo variable P greater than 10 and variable Y less than 5. The answer here. P is 5 and Q. Oh, there is no Y. It's a Q. What are you expecting to see? Remember, under logical, what you are expecting is either true or false. So it will check. P, is it equal to 10? No. So first condition not met. Not more. And it will return true if both conditions are true. So this one will return false. If we say here, echo variable P less than or equal to 5 and variable Q greater than 8. Check on this. We are expecting to see true because variable P is equals to 5 and variable Q is 10, meaning it's greater than 8. So here we are expecting to see true because both conditions are true. Or use z equals to 10, variable y or variable a equals to 5. Then here I use and. So echo so here we are testing is variable z equal to 10 or variable a greater than 6. It's true. Then it checks a, is it greater than 6? No, it's not greater. But because we have said or, it returns true if one condition is true. So here we are expecting to see true because this one condition is or not. B equals to 7. Then we say echo variable b not equal to 10. We know that variable b is not equal to 10. But because we have said it returns the reverse way. So here we are expecting it true. So we are supposed here to break. Let us break. True, true, true. For false, we see nothing. For true, we see 1. Variable name equals to, then variable greetings equals to welcome to PHP. Then we can echo variable name. Then we can also echo variable greetings. We are through with operators. Unless there is any question, we are through with operators. So let me add another file. So this one I'll call Boolean. So as usual, we said the structure of PHP, we are supposed to open it and also close it. Then in between is where we write our codes. So today I've said we are looking at the Boolean in PHP. Boolean represents only 2 values. That is true or false. So for true, it prints 1. And in false, it prints nothing. So we have the if statement. Second one, if else. That one, if, else if, else. On 3 dots. I mean there is an if, then block of code, else if, another block of code, else. So these are the 3 statements in Boolean that we will discuss today. So if I start with the first one, it executes code only if condition is true. Then for this one, provides 2 possible outcomes. Then we have if, else statement. This one checks multiple conditions. So let us do each example in every statement. So I will start with if. So here, if I say variable age, I give it value 18. Then now I can use if variable age greater than or equal to 18. Greater than or equal to 18. What do you want this person to do? Because he's 18 and above. Tunafungua that type of bracket. We call it the curly bracket. We open it. Then now we echo what we want. You are allowed to vote. So we have said it's if, then condition. You open curly bracket. Now you put the echo inside. So here we are expecting to see it. So here it's not operators, but now it's Boolean. Yeah. You are allowed to vote. Here, we change the variable age. We write 12. Then we see what we are expecting as the answer. Nothing to be displayed. Because it only displays when it's true. Yeah. If we put 40, we test that way. what we are doing, because it's not a system we are creating, we are working on understanding how we do it. For system, hizo takuja baadaye. And if you wish now to start creating the system, that's when you can go to advanced level. For that has come to if-else statement. If-else statement provides two possible outcomes for marks. I assign it value 35. Now I use if-else. So if, and you check the difference. When I put if, I'm putting the normal brackets that you know. If they're inside now, I put the condition. If variable max greater than or equal to 40. Outside here, that's when I come and put curly brackets. Then I put, what do I want to see now? If max greater than 40, then I need the computer to give me pass. Then outside these curly brackets, outside, that's when I put else. Else echo fail. So here, who can tell us what are we expecting as the answer? Who can try?
Okay, I can try.
Okay.
So you just see there less than 40. Automatically we just have a fail.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then up there, if you have more than greater than 40, you just have a pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I come to browser, you see the person has failed. If we change these marks, we say maybe it's person 2, and we give this person 40. We are expecting that this person has passed. Now we see the pass because it's checked. Here we talk of if, else, if, else. Here I can work on a grading system, where it checks multiple conditions. In grading system, we have from grade A up to grade E. Then I have score. Variable score, I give it a value like 72. Najua kuna mtu anajiuliza, why do you first give score? I give score because we must define a variable so that we can be able to use it. So we define it, but the value you can change depending. But a variable must always be declared before using it. So declaring variable, it's doing this way. That is declaring variable. Then this one is assigning value. So I will put score there and assign it a value 72, whereby 72 is not constant. I can change it. But the variable will remain to be score. If, so the condition is score, variable score, greater than or equal to 80. Echo grade A. Then we close that function. That is first one. We have used if. So don't forget that this grade A is enclosed in curly brackets. So if you are starting another one, you come outside. Now outside we go to next one. It's else if. Else if. Now we give another condition. Variable score greater than or equal to 60. Then what do we need? We need it to print for us grade B. So we will echo grade B. So here else if tunaweza ipeleka up to kwenye tunataka ngapi, we also use else if, another else if variable score greater than or equal to 40, that person to be given grade C. So here we will echo grade C. Then outside here, now it's our last option. So our last option is when we use else. So if we were adding, tunataka A minus B plus, hivyo tungetumia elseif. So it's if, elseif, then else, the final one. Else we need what? Echo fail. So here we are telling it, if score greater than 80, anything greater than 80, assign it grade A. It will go another cycle to check. If the score, like this 72, how it will work, it will come here, it checks. If score greater than 80, echo grade A, then it finds that score is less than 80. It will go now to next, to check the next condition, because the first condition is false. So if the first condition is false, it goes to check the next condition if it's true. So it will come and check else if. So it's checking score greater than 60. Is it greater than 60? Yes. If it's yes, now here it will echo grade B. So having this 72, we know it will echo grade B because first condition, it's not met. 72 is less than 80. So the condition is true. The second condition is now where it's true. So let me first go to browser and you see what we are expecting. Grade B. If we change these marks and we put it to 81, we are expecting to have grade A because it will check the first condition and find the first condition is true. Then it will execute. So we are expecting to see grade A like that. If we put these marks as 30. So here, what it will do, it will check the first condition. Then it will find it's not true or it's false. It goes to check the other condition. So it follows the next condition, checks. Is score greater than 60? No. It goes to the next condition. Is score greater or equal to 40? No. It goes to next condition. It's lying on the else, which is the fourth condition. And you see we have our fail. So for 1, we are through with it. With grade A, we are through with it. We go to check the next condition. For those who are to get grade B, anyone with 60 and above should get grade B. So the system will also come here. So hizi zenye already zishapata haitazirudia. Jusi zishapata. Now it will start here. Anyone with, is it true or false? False inaruka. prints nothing.
So madam, that's what I was asking. Yeah, whether it repeats itself ama inarudia.
It won't repeat itself. Whenever these ones are being assigned, wanatengwa kando. How? Wanatengwa kando. So
Okay,
it won't repeat. Yeah.
That was
It will not
okay.
have, it gives a B. So here we were talking of real life example. So we have variable username. We will assign it value admin variable password. We assign it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we are expecting here is to check. Because it's a system, no way you can tell me if you get the username correct and you fail password, it should log in. No. You are supposed to get both correct for you to be logged in. Username equal. Remember by equal, that was the sign. Equal admin. And password equal. We put it in curly bracket. Echo login successful. Else echo invalid password or username. Sisi ni vitu mmekuwa mkiziona anytime you are trying to log in any system. You always find maybe invalid username or password. Ever invalid username or password. Whoever created that system, put this code somewhere. This one somewhere. That's why every time you are logging, you are trying to log in a system, it usually tells you that. So we are expecting if the person, the password, and the username are correct, it will say login successful. Else, it will say invalid username or password. Let us go and check what we will get to make example at PHP. So we will come to our browser. Then here instead of Boolean, we use example.php. You see? Login successful. Then if we come here, assume we enter our password like that. Let us see what it will do. It will check the username equal to admin, yes. And password equal to this password here, no. And we said, and the two conditions must be true. So here we are expecting to see the else answer because the two conditions are not true. Ignores it and goes to check for the other condition. So it will took the else. Invalid username or password. Let me give you an exercise here. Exercise. So write a PHP program that checks if a number is even or odd. Write a PHP program that checks if a person is eligible for driving license. So here age ya huyo mtu must be greater than or equal to 18 for the person to be given driving license. Then the third one, write a grading system where $80 and above, so 80 plus 80 and above equals to 8, 60 to 79 equals to B. Then 40 to 59 40 to 59 40 to 59 equals to AC, and lastly below 40 equals to fail. So that is the exercise. I want you to try it. So in our next lesson, I will introduce groups. Then after that, I will show you how to connect PHP with database. PHP with database.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notification bell for more videos. See you next time. Thank you.